name is Tamim Sultan, and I have just started my new business. And my business name is Trios Enterprise. What made me join this workshop is I was actually looking for some guidance. In the last 4 sessions, what I have learned, or what I've become aware of, is that what is the values I want to have in my own business. What is the goal I'm looking at? First, I visioned my goal, and then I came back to where I have to be to achieve that goal. So there was a whole journey which I have experienced in the last 4 sessions, and also it was a project which helped me. I was procrastinating my own growth. I was having a lot of apprehensions. Should I go into my own business? So with this coaching, I actually thought that there is no use of procrastinating. If you want to do it, start today, or you'll never be able to move ahead. And the vision and the goal will always remain a vision and goal, and you'll never be able to achieve it. So thank you, Poonam. I think you've really, touched some nerves in the body which were lying dead. The dead cells has been awakened. Thank you very, very much, Poonam. If I would not join this coaching for the 4 sessions, I don't think Trios would have started.
Yeah, my name is Darshan Dighe, and my business name is YMA Consultancy Services. We are into Lean Six Sigma consulting and solar PV systems. We are an EPC company. These 4 sessions have really, given me a lot of clarity. First of all, to look at myself, to kind of, know myself. As you just mentioned that you get to know after once the coaching is done, you get to know yourself more better. But in these 4 sessions also, I've got to know myself quite a bit. So it has really had a positive impact on me.
I am Purushottam Adi. My company name is ATPL. We are into new business consultancy and franchising. What made me to take a decision to join is Poonamji's introduction in X-Connect. Just to introduce yourself, I think 5 seconds. In that 5 seconds, I made a call that okay, definitely I'll call you and take your session. And what this session has given me, it has brought more clarity on my objectives of my company, and more importantly, I can say it brought clarity on vision and my core values, where I can hang on and take it forward. While I was talking with my customers, and back of the mind, I'm thinking that this guy, is there anything that he is struck with giving me respect, or is he in line with my core values? Like जब मैं बोलता हूँ उनको, sir, this is the best price I can offer. If still he is insisting, then I feel that okay, it's better to keep off this guy. That's the kind of work I am doing with my customer. Just started. I don't know what will be the result. Probably sure. I might end up with losing customers, but still I'm happy the way I am doing now. And I think this session mostly works on not on your business numbers, growth, blah blah blah. It makes you to understand who you are and how you can interact with your vision. I'm very happy that the way you have taken these sessions. Especially I need to appreciate one-to-one sessions. What we have done 3 days back. It's awesome. You nailed it, and you realized me that what I am. Thanks a lot, Poon. Thank you very much.